हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम हमारे जो क्लास 12 के इंग्लिश विजिटर्स बुक है उसका चैप्टर नंबर 4 द एनिमी के क्वेश्चन एंड उनके आंसर्स डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो आइए बिना देर किए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या कह रहे हैं, हु वॉज हनम, व्हाट डिड शी नोटिस कमिंग आउट ऑफ द मिस्ट। बच्चों, ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये 2019 में असम बोर्ड में पूछा गया था। तो उसका आंसर है, हाना वॉज द वाइफ ऑफ डॉक्टर सदाव। एज दे वे स्टैंडिंग आउट ऑफ देयर हाउस दे सॉ समथिंग कमिंग आउट ऑफ द मिस्ट। दे केम नियरर एंड फाउंड a wounded man. After turning the man's head, they saw his face. He was a white man. Yusnavi was written on his cap. अब बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की तरफ। वाई डिड द मैसेंजर कम टू डॉक्टर सदाव। बच्चों, ये 2020 में असम बोर्ड में पूछा गया था। तो इसका आंसर है, द मैसेंजर कम टू इन्फॉर्म डॉक्टर सदाव दैट द जनरल वॉज इन पेन एंड वॉन्ट्स टू सी हिम इमीडिएटली। अब बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की तरफ। हु वॉज डॉक्टर सदाव होकी एंड वेयर डिड ही लिव। आंसर, डॉक्टर सदाव वॉज ए फेमस जापानीज सर्जन एंड साइंटिस्ट. He went to America to study surgery and medicine. By the time his father died, he had established himself as a surgeon and scientist. Dr. Sadao Hoki's house was built on the Japanese coast. It was a low, square stone house above a narrow beach. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखते हैं। What was the chief concern of Sadao's father? Answer, the influence of his father was quite dominating on Sadao. His father never jogged or played with him. Sadao's education was his father's chief concern. For this reason, he at 22 was sent to America to study surgery and medicine. By the time his father died, Sadao had established himself as a famous surgeon and scientist. अब बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 की तरफ। Why was Dr. Sadao kept in Japan and not sent abroad with the troops? Answer, Dr. Sadao was a famous surgeon and a scientist. He was perfecting a major discovery. It would render wounds entirely clean. There was another reason of keeping Sadao in Japan. The old general might need an operation. Dr. Sadao's services were needed at any time. Hence, he was not sent abroad with troops. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देख लेते हैं। Where did Sadao meet Hana? How were they married? Answer, Sadao met Hana in America. With his father's consent, Dr. Sadao had a love marriage with Hana. अब बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 की तरफ। Why did the servants leave Dr. Sadao's house? Answer, Japan was at war with America. Dr. Sadao was nursing a wounded American, a prisoner of war. The servants did not like Dr. Sadao's generosity. He was trying to save a white American. He was giving a new lease of life. They considered Dr. Sadao's work an act of treachery. Hence, their patriotic feelings made them leave Dr. Sadao's house. अब बढ़ते क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 की तरफ। Why did Hana say, why are we different from other Japanese? Were they really different? Answer, Hana thought that they were different from other Japanese. They were confused. Even their servants saw more clearly than what they did. No doubt both of them considered Americans as their enemies. But they were trained in a different way. Being a Dr. Sadao could not desert even a dying enemy. अब बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 की तरफ। How did the general react when Sadao informed him about the prisoner of war? Answer, the behavior of the general was quite surprising. He did not order the immediate arrest of the enemy, nor did he take any action against Dr. Sadao, who had given shelter to an American soldier. He only offered to send 2 private assassins to get him killed secretly, but he never sent those men. अब बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 की तरफ. Did the old general lack national loyalty? Was it a case of dereliction of duty? Answer. The old general did not take the issue of the prisoner of war very seriously. Being an experienced general, he should have acted promptly in this matter. The American soldiers should have been arrested at once. America was at war with Japan. Certainly, it was also a case of dereliction of duty on the general's part. तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट में. तब तक के लिए बाय. टेक केयर.